Welcome back to the another big match between Brazil versus Indonesia. The match has been started. Savino started the match. Beautiful pass, but Colvin was there to clear the ball. Savino again leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Neymar. Is there chance directed but outside of the pole? Well tried by Neymar. Just start out the 5 minutes. Brazil started attack over Indonesia. They want to put a huge pressure over Indonesian team players. Neymar again directed but outside of the pole. After 5 minutes again Neymar tried very well, but as usual the outside of the pole. Gabriel, Kevin, Pedro is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass. Bruno, this time nicely passed to Savinho. Directed touch of the player. The ball is outside of the line. There will be corner kick. Nicely kicked by Neymar. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. 20 minutes have been paused. Still, Indonesian team players are struggling and defending against Brazil because Brazil is attacking over and over again. Luis, nicely passed to Pedro. But defenders are not giving chance to Brazil team players to achieve the goal. Ole Romney, nicely touched by Danilo. Gabriel, Jolinton, beautiful pass to Savinho. Again Savinho passing, but no was there. Beautiful pass to Neymar. Kevin, this time leading the ball. The ball is outside of the line. Beautiful pass by Kevin to Jay. Nicely cleared by Kevin. Jolinton, this time leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Savinho. Neymar, this time again directed and goal. The first goal after 41 minutes. Neymar did magnificent goal. Beautiful kick outside of the D. Magnificent executed by Neymar. That was difficult. Brazil 1, Indonesia 0. Brazil after 41 minutes got their first goal as they plan to attack over Indonesia at the start of the game. They did it. Neymar again. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Neymar did magnificent goal just after 41 minutes. Bruno passing to Neymar. Neymar again leading the ball. Weather hit and touch to the left pole. That was a huge kick but missed it. Too close with the goal. That touch to the left pole. Bruno again to Neymar. This time Neymar is trying. Beautifully touch. Bruno again passing to Joe Pedro. Savinho this time hit touch to the player.
The attendance for this match was 80,000.
Bruno again. But the defenders were there. Again Bruno. What a nice game Bruno is doing. Jolinton this time hit and outside of the pole. Well tried. I think this is looking a one-sided match. Brazil is attacking over and over again. They're not giving a chance to Indonesian team players to attack. Savinho. What a nice. Savinho leading the ball. Hit defended. Neymar again hit goal. The second goal in the second half, just after 73 minutes. Neymar did it. Here's a recap. What a nice kick but defended. Second time Neymar did it. Beautiful combination by the players. Brazil 2, Indonesia 0. Brazil is totally controlled this game by attacking again and again. No chance for Indonesian team players to attack over Brazil. Kevin. Beautiful pass. Colvin this time. Ragnar. Ole Romney. Only 6 minutes remaining for this game to be completed. Still Indonesian team players are on 0 points. And Brazil is leading by 2 goals. Pedro. Tom High.
Added minutes has been indicated.
Beautiful pass. Ole Romney. The time is over. Brazil 2, Indonesia 0. Brazil won this match.